Well, we're on our way. Try 2 for Mount Hood reflection off the lake. I already have a better feeling about this trip today, being that I can actually see the mountain. I didn't see the mountain until I was literally on it last time, and I couldn't see most of it. I just saw like slightly above the snow line. But today it's much different. This should be good. And I'm getting a little excited now. There's what we've been waiting for. I never even knew the mountain was there the last time I came. It was so foggy. We're about to pull up to the lake and see what we see. I'm hoping it's nice and calm and we get to see a beautiful, smooth lake. Yep, we got a lot of people here. So, how do you like them apples? I'm here, and it looks good. Although I'm sure this light is reflecting off my glasses and defeating its whole purpose. But anyway, Mount Hood, water. Unfortunately, it's windy, so we're getting a lot of ripples. But I did get a few shots earlier when there was some clear water, and hopefully there'll be more by the time the stars come out.